So over here, I have the image editor opened, and now let's work around with text over here. So to do that, over here on the left side, you can see that text is an option, and in the text, you can see that you can go around and add in a title right here. Once I go around and add in a title, you can see that a text pops up. So I can just go around and type in something like YouTube over here. Similarly, I can add in a subtitle over here just like this. And then I can go around and say learning at your convenience right here just like this. So you can go around and then resize this out, and let's add a body text right here called keep on learning right here just like this. So this is what you have, as you can see. The difference between these type of text is only its size. So what you can actually do is you can select out the text right here and then go around onto the text section and then change around let's say for example the font size right here just like this, and you can go around and change the font and the font size right here. You can choose around the size, and you can even go around and type in the number of the size right here as you like. As you can see, you can go around and change around the text color as you like. You can let's say bold and unbold it, you can italicize it, underline it, and you can make it uppercase as well. You can left align it, center align it, right align it over here as well. In case you have, let's say for example, multiple lines right here just like this, you can also work around with line spacing and word spacing right here just like this. Same goes for this one as well. You can work around with the line spacing and the word spacing over here as well to make it look interesting. Apart from that, you can also go around and choose style for your text. So you can go around and choose around the background right here. You can go around and add in shadows right here, as you can see just like this as well. So you need to go around and check this out, like add in a background color, and then you can change around the opacity, the radius, and so forth. Similarly, you can work around with the opacity of the shadows. You can change the blur of your shadows and choose a color for this as well. So you get the shadow effect over here just like this, as you can see. So apart from that, you can go around, work around with the distance as well, and change around the angle as well. You can also go around, add in a stroke, as you can see right here, and choose the color of the stroke as you like, just like this as well, so that you get the effect that you want. So you can do a lot of things, as you can see. You can also go around onto opacity and change around the opacity of the text right here. So you can see that there is a lot of control right here, just like this. Apart from that, over here on the text area, there's different text that you can choose from. Like you can go around, bring this in, and you can work around with its opacity, as you can see, or you can go around and edit the text right here, just like this as well. So these are the text presets that you can work with as well, just like that. And that is how you can work around with text inside of image editor of CapCut. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.